What up, guys? I'm in the garage as usual with the Celica. Got a slip from FedEx. Got to pick up some package. It's a car part for the Evo. It's a blow-off valve return. Silicone. Whatever. It doesn't matter. It's a silicone hose. It doesn't really do shit. Yeah. Oh, it's gonna take the Celica, but as normal, Celica don't start. Tiny ass battery, whatever. This is the struggle. I don't drive this car often, so the battery gets discharged. I let it sit without disconnecting the battery. Figured it would be fine. Obviously not. So now, instead of joyriding in this, burning up some of that fucking bad gas. Damn it, man. Yeah, shit happens. Gotta replace this, huh? Yeah, so my jumper pack is here, but my jumper pack is dead too. So I guess I'm going to have to just be defeated and take the Evo. Poor me. Can you put this on that charger for me? The Celica's dead again. I'll see you later.
Turn left onto Hildale Place, then turn right onto US 22 West.
Here's my package. That's an energy drink. Here's my package. Energy drink. Alright. I mean, I worked a full day and now I'm out and about. So, gonna do some Celica stuff. Once that jumper pack is ready, I'm gonna do my little project. Rock and roll. Alright, so most of this is gonna come off. I'm taking these switches off. They're not hooked up. Not a fan. Whoops. Not really a fan of the stash spot shift knob. It's cool, but it's not that comfy. Anybody want to trade? Alright, so right here I'm gonna put a voltmeter. Switches, boom, boom, boom. Maybe two there, like 2, 2. Oh no, I'll try and make it look good. Like 2 there, 2 there, 2 there. Alright. I'll figure it out. Alright, Celica's in pieces again. Center console. Just sitting there. Gonna leave it there for a while. Not gonna put it back in until everything is dialed in. So yeah, I'll tackle the rest of this indoors. Switch panel, gauge, little volt gauge, whatever.
Sometimes I wonder who I would be if I wasn't me. Sometimes I wish I was more free. Sometimes I sit and contemplate. Sometimes I wonder if I've already met some soulmates. Sometimes I wonder about the life I'll have lived by the time I'm old and grey. Sometimes I get real sad and just pray that everything will be okay. I wasn't me. Sometimes I wish I was drug free. Sometimes wish I saw the exit sign first. Sometimes wish I knew the truth without search. Sometimes wish I could go where I never been, see what I